We are here to do a YOLO Box version 1 OG battery replacement. You can see there in the picture it was swollen. I'm going to share with you exactly what it was we were dealing with. All right, so this is the battery that was swollen, and you can see it better here. It's crazy. So this is when you remove the back, or you see it bulging. This is the aftermath of getting the cover off, and what you're going to be looking at. First, we're going to get that back cover off. So remember, when you're taking the back cover off, the back rubber is just sticky. It's 3M'd on there. All right, as you can see here, you've got the back rubber. That needs to come off. Usually a little bit of heat. Obviously, I've prepared this for removal. You're going to have a lot of heat adhesive on the back of there to clean up as well. Once that's all cleaned up and removed, you've got 6 screws on the back of the YOLO Box OG to remove. Get all those removed and taken out. Obviously, I have unscrewed these already and just removing them from the back. Once all 6 screws are removed, you want to be very careful with the back removal. You can usually take a flat screwdriver and put it along the edge, but you do have a wire going from the back plate where the battery is attached to the motherboard. So make sure that you are very careful where you're separating the back plate from the motherboard. When removing it, make sure that you watch that one wire going from the back plate. So the opposite side that all the connections are on is the side that you want to lift. You can see the wire down in the top right corner. Those connections are surface mount soldered to the motherboard, so be very gentle with them, as they are easy to break off the motherboard. All right, once you got that off and you've got it all set up, you're good to go. I think I've got focus pretty good. I know it's a little bit, I think the contrast there is a little bright, but we'll work with it. It's more just to create the video, and I wanted to share with you guys changing the battery. So I'm going to switch over to the wireless microphone so I can work at the bench. Quality on the mic will obviously change. All right, that is the DJI wireless mic. I know quality will be the same. This is the inside of the YOLO Box OG. There's the battery connection. You want to be very careful with these because they can easily, very easily come off the board. The other thing, obviously you can tell I've already removed the battery from here that was swollen that I showed you earlier. And that was this guy. You can see that it actually popped the plate. So make sure that when you're dealing with batteries, especially swollen batteries, they can, if you puncture this, they will literally cause smoke, flame. Won't be good. All right, make sure that we're in focus as best we can here. There we go. We should be good right there. So you're going to take your, after you remove that back from the previous video I showed you, obviously it's just sticky, and you're going to either want to replace this or put, depending, you can sometimes use a blow dryer and heat this back up, and you can get it sticky again, and it'll be no problem. But for starters, we're going to take a small Phillips screwdriver. We're going to remove this gold protective shield. There's one screw, and there is 2. This will just, you want to pop these, this is just like a silicone, and you just want to pop these up right here. and this plate will come right off. Now, from the old battery, I still have sticky, and it's literally sticky enough that we can just reuse this. So we'll just reuse that. The other thing to take note, if your other battery is already gone and you're doing the new battery, I picked this up on AliExpress. When I do the YouTube video, I'll put the link to this battery in the description. I have not found batteries for the Pro or the Ultra, but I do know that the voltage will be the same on the Pro, but it's 10,000 milliamps, not 5,200. So it will be a different battery, but I haven't found any yet without having to go directly from YOLO Live and talk to Frank. So take note where this lead goes, because obviously you could go here, you could go here, you could flip it over and be in this corner. So what you want to do is, if your old battery's gone, you want to obviously take this and find out your top and bottom. So there is the bottom. This goes this way, connections here. So I want my leads in this bottom corner. Just like that. And this is the chip gets hot. There's your vents. You know, a guy could even do a little mod. If you find your OG is getting a little hot, you almost have room for a tiny fan. Like you could take, oh, I'm sure I have one sitting here. Let's see. Oh yeah, here they are. Like I'm sure you could take, you find a small enough one, you could put a fan in this bad boy. These are a little thick though. I think you'd need a smaller one. Anyways, back to the battery. That's hilarious. There's definitely room there though. You'd be stealing power from somewhere, or run your own power if you're skilled. Okay, so be 100% sure that that's where the plate goes, obviously. You don't want to get it wrong. And if this connector was up here, you'd be at the wrong side. You want to be there where it can close. So once you've got your orientation of the battery right, center it, and then take you got little lips here. You can just put them back under there. Same with this side. Very simple. I mean, there's not a lot to it once you're inside. All right. Make sure that everything lines up and everything is in place. There we go. Okay, let's get the screw on. So what I'll do is, sorry for the background noise, guys. I got a air conditioner going in the background. That there is absolutely no ledge there. Unlike this side, where it actually goes underneath and grabs, this side is just like a ledge. So there's no clip. Like it can actually vibrate. So you'll want to put some new adhesive on there. The best adhesive you can use, I'll give you guys an example here. So it kind of stays soft, but it's safe for electronics. It's GC Electronics. Not everybody has this kind of thing, but it would, I used it a lot in the drone industry where I was fixing drones, DJI drones. So you would want to put a dab here and here just to help protect that. But this is a brand new battery. Let's turn this the right way and get this hooked up. Now this is where you want to be really careful. These connections on the motherboard, they can come off very easily. So you want to make sure that that is lined up before you do any pushing. So once you have it in the socket like that, hope you guys can see that okay. Now you don't want to push just on the top connector going down. You want to actually squeeze so that you're not putting pressure on the contacts on the board. And there, that is on. Now, Voila. Now what we want to see is if the charging is going to accept with that new battery. And there we go. She is showing charging. It's what is it? I bet you it shows it has juice. So it must have just needed to be plugged in to kind of reset the battery. So that is up and charging. Let's try turning it on. And there we go. One YOLO box OG with a new battery at 55%. Brand new. It's always good to have a fresh new battery in your devices, isn't it? All right, don't forget, guys, if this video will be edited and put live on YouTube, I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you guys around in the next one. Peace and God bless.